guys, my name is Sukriti and I welcome you all to my page. In today's video, we are going to discuss about health insurances. I know it's very important to have a health insurance and I hope all of you also agree with me. But in today's video, we are going to discuss about the 5 important steps before buying a health insurance or 5 important steps which can help you to have the right health insurance for yourself. To begin with, let's discuss about the 5 variables which can help you to identify the best health insurance plan. Number 1, buy the health insurance which fits your requirement. As we all know, there is a range of health insurance products in the market. Health insurance for individual, health insurance for couple, health insurance for senior citizen, health insurance for people who are diagnosed with cancer, health insurance for people who are diagnosed with diabetes, and etc. and etc. It's very easy to get lost in all these choices. So it's very important to identify your requirement. Identify your number 1 need. Whether you are looking for a health insurance which can cover your pre-existing illnesses, or you are planning for a maternity and you are looking for a coverage for the same, or you want a treatment to be covered abroad. Once you are clear on this, you can decide the cover after that. While there is no pre-decided thumb rule to decide the cover, however, it's a good practice to have a cover which is 6 times than your monthly salary. Let's say your monthly salary is 50,000, then it's good for you to have a cover of minimum 3 lakh rupees. Step 2. Find a cashless hospitalization network which covers the top hospitals of your city. You cannot opt for a health insurance which do not give a cashless facility. Cashless service means, let's say you get your hospital treatment done, you need not to pay your bills at that point of time. The bills will get settled by your insurer to the hospital. Do ensure that you look for the insurer's cashless hospital list before going for the policy. Step 3. Always read the policy wording and look for the exact coverage they are offering. So there are 5 core components to a policy coverage. Number 1, inpatient hospitalization, which is pretty much the reason why you are going to buy the health insurance cover, which means what is the maximum amount you can claim during hospitalization. Second, daycare treatments. Daycare treatments are those which take less than 24 hours of hospitalization, like tonsil, kidney stone removal, chemotherapy, etc. In this, look for plans which cover maximum daycare treatments or for plan which covers daycare treatments without any restrictions. Third, room rent. So there are some companies which give no restrictions or no capping on room rents. Few give room rents with a single private room, and some allow only 1 to 2% of your sum assured as a room rent. So while choosing the policy, always look for this so that there is no confusion while hospitalization. Fourth, pre and post hospitalization. Pre and post hospitalization refer to the reimbursement of any expenses which are prior to or post discharge of the hospitalization. Typically, you will see all insurance companies will give 30 and 60 days of pre and post hospitalization respectively. However, few companies will give a capping on the same. So there will be some restrictions on the same. You need to look for it before buying the policy and look for the maximum coverage. And finally, fifth, sublimits. Your policy might have a sublimit. A sublimit is a cap on how much a policyholder can claim. For example, we saw a sublimit of 1 or 2% on room rent. Similarly, there could be a sublimit on certain procedures. Like cataract might have a sublimit of 10,000 per eye. Or there could be a sublimit on a maternity cover for a normal or a cesarean delivery. So do choose wisely. These 5 elements like inpatient hospitalization, daycare treatment, room rent, pre and post hospitalization and sublimits make the core of your health insurance policy, and you should examine these carefully while choosing any health insurance plan. Number 4. Always check for the plan's waiting period, co-payment and other exclusions. Waiting period is a period in which any claims made will not be valid. Hence, the lower the waiting period, the better it will be. Similarly, co-payment is a payment which you have to pay from your own pocket. Generally, companies have a co-payment of 10%, 20% or 30%. These are usually triggered for senior citizen policies or a need-based plan. So always check the policy wording before taking the policy. And fifth, always look for a NCB and a policy. NCB or no claim bonus works as a reward for the policyholder for having a claim-free year, which can go from 5% to 50% of your coverage in the same premium. Similarly, restoration benefit. Let's say you have consumed your entire cover, the insurer will add an additional coverage without taking any extra premium. So these are the 5 core of your health insurance policy which will help you to choose the right health insurance plan. If you like this video, do hit the like button and also share it with your friends. Thank you.